Welcome to Gaming Stocks.
Oh my god.
The channel by gamers, for gamers. Alright, welcome back everybody. Here is Katamari Damacy, part 4. So it's kind of confusing. We're actually on star 5, but it's part 4. Because I think the first episode we did star 1 and 2 maybe. But welcome back to the crazy fun and wild game that is Katamari Damacy. Let's hop over to planet Earth and take care of star number 5. I hope you've been enjoying this gameplay. I freaking love this game. So I have a blast playing it, and I think it's just so fun and so cool, and the color's great and the art's great. So if you haven't played it or you don't have it, and you have a computer or you have a Switch, I would encourage you to pick up Katamari Damacy Reroll is what it's called. And it's just I'm almost positive it's the same exact game as the first one. I don't think there's any major changes, just the art's been updated and maybe some different items, but the plot is the same and the game itself overall is the same. So we got 12 minutes here. We're looking for 1.5 meters. We're outside this time. Last time we were inside. Okay, so last time we were outside, we saw these sandcastles right here. So it seems we're in the same town right now. Ooh, watch out. So many moving objects right here, it's crazy. Alright, time to go on to a new zone, looks like, I think. Let's see what's down here. Oh yeah, here we go. What? I can't get those yet? That's a little ridiculous. Some parsley, some magnets. Yeah, let me know what you think about this game in the comments. I'm definitely going to finish the playthrough. We're doing pretty good so far. It's fun to, film a episode every level. So we'll see if you like it enough that we can record. I actually have a copy of the second one, which was made in Japan, so we can put the Japanese version of the second one. And that one is a little more updated, so the colors look a little better, and the art style is a little different. Oh. Yeah, so drop a comment, let me know what you think. But for now, we're just gonna keep on rolling. Pick up some sushi. Some tamago sushi. I'm always shocked at what I can and can't pick up. Sometimes I'm like, what? I can get that? Sometimes I'm like, wait, why can't I pick that up? I think there's a new spot I'm missing somewhere. I'm not quite sure where it is, so we're just gonna go up here. Maybe it's up here. Oh. Watch out. There we go. Can I get these? Ah, not yet. So close. I know I can't get those. I can probably grab these New Year's cards. tradition in Japan to give money to loved ones on New Year's. This magnet, I actually have one of those magnets, one of those new driver signs. I picked up a couple of them when I was in Japan, and I gave them to a friend of mine as a joke. I was like, hey, put this magnet on your car, it's a cool symbol. You know, not many people in America would get it, but I told him later what it was. I thought it was a funny joke. He, however, did not find it as humorous as I thought. There we go. Alright, we're doing pretty good so far. Lollipop. Can't get the birds yet. Guys are fast. Holy smokes. Alright, I can probably get these teapots now. Nice. Alright, let's head back to the main spot here, see if we can't get some of this other spoof. Get out of here, doggo. Elephant watering cans are sentient, apparently. Nice. Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job getting so tall. Let's spin around here. We're wasting time. Head back this direction. Oh, nothing over here. What is... I guess we'll go up here. Okay, here we go. Video game console. Flashlights. Stacks of New Year's cards. Hope everyone's doing alright in the current quarantine state we find ourselves in. I'm not gonna hit you with any PSA stuff. I'm having a good time hanging out at home. Give me the time to play some games I've been waiting to play for a while. With Animal Cross coming out tomorrow, I will have my time occupied. Here we go. This is where we need to be, up here. Oh, can't get that yet. Caught it. Oh, down there. I'm wasting my time up here. Can I get back up here, you think, once I'm down there? Probably not. Probably not. Strike! I had a feeling he'd move to something if I got on him. He's always popping in, offering his opinion. Oh, I should have been down here sooner. Yikes. I'm behind the curve now. Oh, lady, take it easy. Holy smokes. She must be looking for toilet paper or something. Chocolate cake? Man, people are just throwing cake on the ground out here. What kind of crazy world are we living in? So I'm breaking my own Katamari rules. I'm trying to turn around to get these watermelons. I gotta keep going forward. When you get stuck and you want to turn around, you don't want to do that. Just keep rolling forward, because you'll find more stuff that's your size if you just keep moving forward. However, going back isn't always the solution. That same lady's gonna want to hit you with her cart every time. There we go, there we go. Shovels. Daikon radishes. Carrots. In the diary. I wonder if there's a present in this river. Maybe I can't go in there, it looks like. Well, no present, sadly. There's gonna be something in there. Oh, nice. Oh, there we go, meter and a half. Still got 3 minutes left. I think I could have done this level much faster. It's been a while since I've played Katamari, so I don't really remember where everything is. And so, it's actually good. It's making a good playthrough. Part of the fun is not necessarily knowing where everything is. Figuring it out as you go. Pick the grandma. Yikes. Being able to pick up people. Yeah, that would be scary for sure. Oh my gosh. Get back up here. Oh, I can. Maybe? Oh, nope. Come on. Alright. Wasting time, it seems like. Look, I did it twice in the same game. Wasted time to try to get back up to the top. That's the temptation of Katamari Damacy. How big can you get? You need to think that if I go back, it will collect more. Come on. Oh yeah, like I know for a fact I can go pick up all these boots. I could have got so much bigger, for sure. That's alright. You live and you learn. Come on. Alright, not terrible. I feel like I could have done much better, but it is what it is. And I will not be too disappointed by the fact that I did not pick up the whole buildings. Gives us a chance to come back and maybe make a bigger one. Give it a second try. Blowfish star. Oh, we're on the plane. Bruh.
Oh, there's Top Shell Island already.
I know I saw that huge guy.
This kid is having a wild vacation. All right. So there you go. That was episode 4, Star 5. Thank you so much for joining me. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time for Katamari Damacy. Leave a comment, leave a question. Let me know if you're liking the game, if there's anything else you want to see me play. All right.